Welcome to video number 4 of CRT Lab 404, especially how to trade candle number 3 because it's the easier candle to trade, meaning when you already know and not know but see that a reversal have occurred on the lower time frame inside the candle number 2, meaning, let me say it like that, the high that took the low being flipped, in this case inside the candle 2, what you have to do actually is just capture the expansion of candle number 3 by doing what? Again, we are taking a look inside this candle while knowing that inside candle number 2 we had a range, sub key level, flipping the high that took the low, ranging and waiting for the candle 3. When that happens, inside the leg number 1 you will have a key level for candle 3, which is this one right there, and you have to just enter below the opening price. This is the opening price of the candle. Let me put a line like this. This is the opening price of this candle. You have to open a trade below that inside the wick, meaning below the opening price, while watching to take liquidity inside the key level that you formed in leg number 1, to then start looking for your entry models and ride the expansion up, which means you can, again, let's say this is daily time frame, before the opening price or after it, looking, let's say for Asia 9 p.m. candle to form a range, meaning let's say 9 p.m. is your 4-hour candle range, being a time-based range for 1 a.m. to be open low, and this daily time frame, meaning rejecting a low, flipping the price action, the order flow on the lower time frame, meaning the 4-hour should give the same exact thing, meaning a low to be souped at a key level, potentially in leg number 1, to then start moving. So you have a high probability, at least it can be 2-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour candle range to trade. And the best part you have to do good for yourself is to look to execute within a Q zone, meaning London Open, New York AM. These two are the highest probability, especially London 3 AM, New York 9:30, 9 AM candle, 9:30 more importantly. That's it. Your main execution times, your key things, expecting a range again to be souped into the key level, aligning the daily soup and flip into the expansion of candle 3. This is how you anticipate. This is how you enter inside the wick. Like you've seen so many people enter in the wick. This is how you enter. It's just as simple as fuck, meaning entering just below the opening price of the next expansion candle, and you will be positioned in the wick. Now, how to get the better entry is adding a confluences, like I said. First, let's make it like that. High probability setup. In this case, bullish example for candle 3 into candle 3. Let me make it more like this. Okay, better. Now, when you know this, let me go there. What you have to do, you have to position yourself in the wick, meaning entry below the opening price. Next, entry within a Q zone, London Open, New York AM. You have to look for the daily candle to be open low, key level soup, to expect expansion. This is your high probability thing to get expansion. And if your order flow is correct and everything here is in line, you get your expansion and you get a good entry. Again, you have to wait last video, the order flow thing. If the daily is already rejecting lows, the 4-hour will print potentially a retracement to then be rejected into key level, and candle 3 is your entry. Candle 3 is also OTE candle, meaning OTE is fast expansion, optimal trade entry. If you miss the soup, you enter on the next soup, which will be the OTE. That's it. This is how you trade candle 3. This is what is a candle 3, how to enter on the candle 3. Nothing more, it's not shiny stuff. Now, I want you to just go over the charts, find examples. You know where you can DM me. You can even comment down. You have to do it. Go check it for yourself, come back, and we can just go over, which will be the next video, for the how to enter in candle 2, which meaning how to enter on this soup, which soup is the highest RR. You can keep your stop at 10 pips and be safe, at 15 pips and be safe. And intermediate term row, which will be on the left, and again be safe. This is how to enter there. And I will again give you one of the entry models, which is not mine, credits to Romeo, the model 1, but I will explain to you how to use it and what to look for, where to look for, and how to use that. And I will explain it in the model 1 video. So right now, subscribe, drop a comment, and let's go. We're going big. This CRT Lab 404 will change everything and every CRT trader that sucks still. Thank you for watching. Go to the next video, and if you have not watched the previous videos, don't skip it, because everything in this will change you, because this is something important. This is how you actually should look at it. Of course, it's not everything, but it's the most of it, and you can make it happen. So take your balls and let's fucking go.